When I was a young teen living in the Philippines, I read a short story set in the Amazon, a romance between an opera singer and her former love, and I've been infatuated with the Amazon ever since. First stop, Lima, Peru. After 11 hours on a plane through 2 airports, we were off to the Malecon, or the seaside walkway overlooking a rocky beach named Waikiki after their famous Hawaii counterpart. I could see why surfers like this beach. The waves are powerful. Finally, the Amazon. The water was yellow-brown and muddy, concealing animals like piranhas, electric eels, caimans, and who knew what else. But it was beautiful. We boarded longboats with open windows and 75 horsepower outboard Honda engines. Dozens of macaws, scarlets, blues, greens, and yellows, clinging to the cliff in all their colorful glory. Some birds perched on branches above, looking like a bunch of chili peppers upside down. Many of them flew in pairs, their graceful tails trailing behind them. Why do macaws eat clay? Because of their extensive plant diet, whether the plant parts are ripe or not, they get a lot of toxins in their system. The clay absorbs the alkaloids in the unripe fruit. The clay also provides certain minerals like sodium. Our guide started to talk to Drew and me about joining the others for breakfast in the shade along the beach. But just then, Silverio noticed that there were 2 burrowing owls sitting on a log to the right of everybody. Silverio showed us the kapok, the biggest tree in the area. He said it was something like 50 meters or 164 feet tall. At one point, we looked up into an opening in the tree canopy and saw the stars. We turned off the lights and stood in the darkness, feeling small in a grand universe. This is the Amazon I had hoped for. The tower was made of metal beams, some 6 or 7 stories high, the perfect bird-watching perch. Silverio says it is about 100 feet high. Drew counted the steps, 191. We saw cute capybaras swimming around. We watched a band-tailed mannequin flit from one branch to another. It would do this cute little hopping dance on the branch and then move on to the next. For several minutes, we were able to get some fun shots of this vibrant red bird with bright green accents. Read more in my book, The Amazon, A Travel Journal by Jewel Allen.